What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a special episode. After only having this car for about a week or so, we're getting the exhaust done. Because as good as these 5.0 sound with stock exhaust, they can always sound better. Got to put the top down for the first time a few days ago. It was like 60 some degrees in the middle of winter, and then it went back down. I just left work and I have someone asking me if I'm at work. Oh no, nah, sorry bro, I just left. Like literally just pulled out of the parking lot. So I left work early today so I could get this done, because we've been working 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, and my guy closes at 5 p.m. So tell me how I'm supposed to get anything done after 5 if we get off at 5. Boys and girls, we are done with the exhaust, and let me tell you, oh my god, it's louder. Yeah, I'm not even going much and it's already sounding way better. Oh yeah. There. All right, first pull right out of the gate. Let's do it. Oh yeah, much better. Oh my god, I can hear it while cruising now. Oh, that sounds good. So, turns out I was going there for a muffler and resonator delete today, just make a scream. Got in the air and saw it had some aftermarket mufflers, but they were just like off-brand thing, like didn't even have a brand name on them at all. But the resonators actually had SLP straight through resonators. And I'm like, okay, well we'll just leave those on and just take the mufflers off then. So that's what we did. Cost me 177 bucks. I think that's a good deal, because this is definitely a lot better. Oh, I'm happy with this. We also noticed that whoever did the exhaust last time, the tips were crooked and they were off center from the exhaust holes on the rear bumper. So my guy, he's real picky with that, so he went ahead and straightened those up while he was at it. So, oh my god, this is good. So after looking at the front bumper for a while in the shop, I'm so conflicted on whether because I think you have to change out the whole front bumper to get that grille with the fog lights. So I'm really conflicted. Tell me what y'all think down below. Should I swap that out for the grille with the 2 fog lights in it, or leave it as it is? Let's do a pull onto the interstate now. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, so drone on the interstate. Okay, definitely some drone on the interstate. What speed are we at? 77. Let's drop down. 75. Yeah, there's definitely some drone on the interstate, y'all. Oh boy, but god, this thing sounds good. Oh, this sounds so good. This is what a Mustang should sound like. All right, my dude. We just gonna back into me then, or what? We're just gonna chill. And the dude in the Altima just backed into me there. I saw his reverse lights go on and he had his brake on, so I thought I didn't know he was gonna just start backing up. That's why you check your mirrors, y'all. We all got them. One over there, one right there, and one right there. My Civic didn't have one right here. That's because it broke off and the new one was like 50 bucks. So I said, you know what? I got the other 2. We're good. One thing that's going to annoy me a little bit on this car so far, this cup holder, the way it is, when something's here, it blocks my gear shifter.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Let's go. Oh yeah. And I realized I had almost 50,000 McDonald's points and had never used any rewards. That's actually the only reason I got McDonald's today, because I wanted to use some of my rewards. Oh yes. Now we're gonna look with our eyes. Funny thing is, that Altima is still just sitting over there. They just moved spots. We're gonna keep the window down for a second. I've got to hear this thing sing. thank you so much for watching. That is going to effectively end today's video. I will be getting together a full exhaust video at some point in the future, so keep an eye out for that. But I hope you all enjoy the rest of your days. Wow, that sounded dark. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be careful, winter's coming. So drive safe, be smart. Until you see me again, stay killing it.